bed bugs, something like that.
Oh,
you know,
gosh.
medicinal.
I thought it smelled like the song of spring. Like it smelled like kind of like spring flowers, fresh, new. Yeah, just very like pungent, warm.
Pungent, yes.
But it smelled like like the beginning of something.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. It's different than
Very different.
It's orange blossom. So it's orange blossom. There's this bitter orange, and the flowers are used. It's one of the most common ingredients in perfume making.
We all have it.
Yes, absolutely the same. Absolutely the
Happy
same.
moments.
And then again, you can see the difference. You smell it in the package, and then you put it on your skin, and you can sniff each other. That's fine. But to see the difference, because it is different on your skin. That's why if you were really interested to buy good perfume, do make sure you first try it on your skin, because you might like it when they put it on a little carton, or you might dislike it, and then put it on your skin. It can change completely.
That's what I was going to say before we started. We have this cologne, which is very, very expensive and actually very good. And my husband uses it, and it doesn't. And my son uses the same. And it's just, you just want to be near him. He just smells so wonderful, so warm and masculine, and tobacco and sandalwood sort of thing. But it misses it entirely. But I think that's what you're saying.
So it's meaning that it's different on your son than on your husband.
Absolutely the same.
And that's absolutely normal, because they have different microbiomes, they have different senses, and then when you mix that perfume, that's one of the beauty, again, what I liked when I was doing the perfume making is the fact that I had, when I started, I had this image of, okay, I put everything that I like, and it's going to smell like something that I like. Wrong. It's wrong. It's completely different what comes out, because they're alike, they're molecules, they combine, and what they come up with is a different personality. So, but I like it because you could see the fact that we have the elements here. We have the sun. When you think about this, I mean, we have places like Tunisia, and we have places like Sicily, all the sun places where these flowers grow. So the sun, that energy.
Yeah,
came
so
through.
funny. It's that when you said bitter orange, bright sun. I was like, God, I keep getting this bright sun.
The sun, even the color, it came through to you without knowing what it is. And that's why I don't want you to know, because automatically when you know, we have these preconceptions, and we think, okay, this is what I have to think. But that was the beauty, because for you, and it's one of the most common. It's cheaper, so it's used by a lot, even in cheap perfumes or room sprays. Exactly. So for you, it brought that I put some of this in order to cover. I think sometimes it's used in detergents. So because it is cheaper. And also you brought the beginning of it. It is the aroma, and for example, orange blossom water. It's really good to relax someone, to give them a new hope. And medicine, herb medicine, we use that. I use it, I put it in my water. I just put a little bit of that in water, and suddenly, when you feel a little bit dipping, it's a new beginning. So it absolutely like a spring. So you picked up very well on that. The fact that it has that energy of, try it again. It's gonna be okay.
I need that recipe. You take.
There is, you have from most flowers, especially the edible ones you can use in medicine, they can make aromatic waters. What that is, it's a distillation. Normally they make the essential oils. As a byproduct is the aromatic water, which still has some of the oils. And it's literally like water, very aromatic.
Really?
It's different with it. I will send you an address for a place in Paris that it's absolutely a beautiful place. The prices are low and the products are really good. That's where I normally shop. So you can get essential oils, you can get
yes, please.
You can get aromatic waters. And again, you can see the aromatic waters, you look for them, and they're in the fridge. And you can put a few drops in your water, and it makes the water suddenly much more enjoyable.